Hey guys, let's see how to reset a Tapo C216 camera. So it's pretty simple. There are different ways to reset it. The first one is via app. So you just come here to the Tapo app. And then you're gonna look for the settings. Here, if just select the camera and go to settings. And down here, you just remove the camera, okay? There is no reset option, but the remove camera is the same. As long as you just tap here, you can reset the camera by removing it, all right? And the other way is just come here to the camera and reset physically. You just need to use a paper clip like this. Then you just get the camera, move this part up, and open here where you have the SD card, and you're gonna find the reset button, right? So you just need to press and hold until you see the LED changing here, or you hear a message. Let me just press here and hold. You see the LED is going to change. There we go. I'm pressing right now. Just hold for a while. And you see the LED flashing now, okay? Basically red and green. So now it's working, ready for the setup. You just need to come to your cell phone and set up again. It's pretty simple. When you come back here to the main screen, the camera is no longer working. Then you just need to add a new camera here, add a device, and select indoor camera. Look for Tapo C216. There we go. Ready, red and green, so it's ready for the setup. Here you're gonna find the camera's signal. It's not the Wi-Fi, it's the camera signal. Look for Tapo Cam here somewhere. It keeps refreshing, so you just need to look for the camera. Let's just wait a little bit more. Not yet. There we go, Tapo Cam. Wait for it to connect, it becomes blue. Then you come back to the app and it's going to find it, right? So pre-configure device, because I already have the configuration here, so I just keep existing settings. Give the camera the Wi-Fi to connect to and enter the password. Next.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected.
There we go, it sounds good. Dismiss here, got it again, and it's ready to go, okay? So basically the camera is reset now with the new configuration and stuff. Just need to close here back, and the camera is ready to operate, okay? So when I tap here, I just see the image of the camera. There we go. So it's basically working, okay? Well, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your comments, and I see you in the next one.